Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello, adventurers. In this video, I will explain how to play a Diablo 4 season. Each season brings a fresh start, inviting you to create a new character and dive into unique content. Don't worry, your hard-earned map progress, Altars of Lilith, and Renown rewards will carry over. Plus, if you finished the main campaign before, you can skip it and jump straight into the seasonal action. It's a fantastic way to experience new challenges and stories. As you embark on your seasonal adventure, the seasonal journey will be your guide. This system presents a series of objectives, organized into chapters, that help you progress. By completing these challenges, you'll earn valuable rewards such as powerful gear, essential crafting materials, and favor. This favor is crucial for advancing your battle pass, unlocking even more exciting items and bonuses throughout the season. Every season brings a distinct theme, complete with new mechanics and an engaging questline to explore. The Battle Pass offers a free track and a premium track, featuring 90 tiers of rewards. This season introduces reliquaries, a new system where you earn favor tokens to unlock rewards in any order you prefer. You can also acquire smoldering ashes from the free track, which grant powerful season blessings to aid your journey. Once you've leveled up your character, the true endgame begins. Progress through higher world tiers to face greater challenges and earn superior loot. Dive into activities like nightmare dungeons, participate in chaotic Helltide events, and confront formidable world bosses. The Pit of Artificers provides escalating difficulty and materials for masterworking your gear. Don't forget to optimize your Paragon board and Codex of Power to maximize your character's immense strength.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.